morning. It's a Vlogmas day 6. Officially, it's Friday. Happy Friday to you. Happy weekend eve. Is that what they call it? I don't know. But yes, happy Friday to you. Finally, we have the weekend. Good job at making it this week. We made it this week. And yeah, I'm officially starting the vlog for day 6. And I am on my way to go go make my dough for my sourdough, because on day 4 I showed you that my sourdough doubled, and like yesterday I couldn't get into the kitchen. I couldn't get into the kitchen to do what I wanted to do, and that's okay because there were some guests over. But okay, I'm hoping that it's okay because the temp is still pretty cool in the kitchen. So I'm going to check on the sourdough starter. That's the first thing we're gonna do. Okay, and for the rest of the day today, I don't really have anything planned other than an appointment at 3 o'clock. And I'm gonna go check what I want to do on my calendar. But yeah, I don't have much planned other than I have an appointment. So I'm gonna bring you along as much as I can. Tomorrow will be a fun day though. Okay, the sourdough kind of went down, but it's okay. I think I'm still gonna use it. And yeah, I think I'm still gonna use it, and I'm gonna have to really make dough and then feed it. So let's go. Okay, I'm already prepping the sourdough now. I used the recipe off of Becca from Instagram, Bekah. I'm letting it rest for like maybe 5-10 more minutes with a wet tea towel in the oven. While that's just resting, I am cleaning up dishes, and I'm kind of thinking where I wanted to kind of rest for the next few hours. And because the weather has been pretty cool lately, I probably want to have it rest for a longer period of time. I'm just trying to think about where. So it's like, you want to put it, if you're going to be in a warmer spot, you'll have it rest for a short amount of time. If it's cooler where you are, then you'll have it set for a longer period of time. Hopefully I said that right. And so I'm just trying to find the best lighting. By the sink. But yes, so that's why I'm trying to think of how I'm going to go about it, just because with the weather and everything. Okay, I will check back in and I'll let you know. Also haven't figured out breakfast yet, so I need to figure out what breakfast is. Yeah. Oh, but you're looking like you like what you see. Want to come over and check up on my, I'ma let you walk up on it. Ladies, I know what you want.